keep you updated on the capital and financial markets. Here is a recap of what happened.
The Securities Commission Malaysia opened a 3-day annual InvestSmart Fest 2023 with a series of activities promoting investor education and protection. The SC's flagship investor education event, which marked its 10th year this year, was officiated by Stephen Sim Chee Keong, Deputy Minister of Finance too. This year's theme is 10 Tahun Memperkasa Rakyat Malaysia, or 10 Years of Empowering Malaysian Investors. For the first time this year, InvestSmart has incorporated a series of capital market career talks at the event. InvestSmart Fest 2023 is supported by Bursa Malaysia Berhad, Federation of Investment Managers Malaysia, Financial Planning Association of Malaysia and Malaysian Financial Planning Council. The IRRA platform is an initiative conceptualized and implemented by market infrastructure institutions under the guidance of SEBI that helps investors square off or exit their positions in the eventuality of technical glitches at the trading member end at both the disaster recovery site and primary site. The IRRA platform is available to trading members supporting internet-based trading and security trading through wireless technology for their investors. However, it excludes algo trading and institutional clients. Trading members, when faced with a technical glitch at their end, can invoke the IRRA platform. On invocation, the IRRA platform downloads trades of trading members from all the trading venues after basic checks. It dispatches an SMS or email to investors using IBT or STWT and a link to access IRRA. Investors using this link can suitably review the status of their investment and place orders for squaring off or closing positions. SEBI Chairperson Madhabi Puri Butch urged investors to invest on a long-term basis as it would help in wealth creation, beat inflation, and provide real rate of returns. Referring to the Securities and Exchange Board of India's recent study, which showed that around 89% of the individual traders in the equity futures and options segment incurred losses with an average loss of 1.1 lakh rupees, Butch said she was confused and surprised as to why people continue to trade in the segment knowing that the odds are not in their favor at all. There is a 90% chance that the investor will lose money in the Fando segment. But we also know, and the data shows us, that if you take a long-term view of the market and if you invest with a long-term perspective, you will rarely go wrong, she said at the launch of an investor risk reduction access platform. Malaysia's fund management industry assets rose 5.54% in the first 9 months of 2023 as stock and bond gains in the first half of the year helped to cushion 2 consecutive monthly declines in the third quarter. The industry's total assets under management as of end September were 956.65 billion ringgit, up from 906.46 billion ringgit at the end of 2022, according to new figures published on the website of Securities Commission Malaysia. The regulator typically posts the data without providing analysis. The increase was largely driven by improvements in global stock markets in the second quarter, according to a portfolio manager at a Malaysian fund management company. Although global equities showed signs of weakening in the third quarter, gains in the first half were able to cushion the decline, he tells Asia Asset Management, speaking on condition of anonymity. Thailand's securities regulator has ordered the stock exchange to impose a pricing rule for short selling, and will also examine the bourse's system of naked short selling soon, the Bangkok Post reports, citing Jomkwon Kongsikul, Deputy Secretary General of the Securities and Exchange Commission, Thailand. The move comes after Thailand's benchmark stock index declined 10% in the span of 2 weeks in October. As of the 22nd of November, the index has shed 12.04% this year. The SEC has told the Stock Exchange of Thailand to impose an uptick rule, Jomkwon is quoted as saying in the report. This means short selling can only be done at a higher price than what a stock last traded at if it is down 10% or more from that price. The latest e-Zine is now available for download at FIMM's official website. Download your copy today to keep up to date with what's going on in the industry.
FIMM is pleased to announce the release of its annual report 2022 with the theme, "In the Grand Scheme of Things." Visit FIMM's official website to download a digital copy. This has been the FIMM TV Weekly Recap. Be informed, stay updated. Be sure to like, share and subscribe.